If you've ever wanted to deposit cash into your Cash App balance but weren't sure where to find that special barcode everyone talks about, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to find your Cash App barcode to deposit paper money, step by step, so you never get stuck at the checkout counter again. Main script. First, open your Cash App and go to the home screen. Tap on your current balance, that's the number in the bottom left corner. Now scroll down and look for the paper money option. This is where the magic happens. When you tap paper money, Cash App will show you a map of nearby participating retailers like Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, and others where you can make your deposit. Choose a store that's convenient for you and head over there before doing anything else. Because here's the key. The barcode you need is time sensitive. It usually expires within a few minutes to an hour, so you should only generate it when you're physically at the cashier and ready to deposit. Once you arrive at the store, tell the cashier you'd like to deposit cash to your Cash App. Then go back to your app and tap Show Barcode. Your unique barcode will pop up on screen. Hand your phone to the cashier so they can scan it. Give them your cash, and you're done. There's a $1 service fee per deposit, which is automatically deducted from the total amount you load. Keep in mind, there are limits. You can deposit up to $500 per transaction and $1,000 in any 7-day period. After the cashier scans your code and processes the payment, you'll get a confirmation in your Cash App balance almost instantly. Outro, and that's it. Now you know how to find and use your Cash App barcode to deposit paper money without any confusion. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and check the description for more Cash App tips and updates.